Alright, so let's take a look at this DJI Osmo Action 6 cage from SmallRig model 5887. See what comes in the box. Alright, so you have your accessories. You have your rubberized cover for protecting your lens. You have your lanyard. You have a little Allen wrench, little manual, really doesn't say much. Scan for the app. All right, so here on the top you have another 1/4 inch for accessory, your cold shoe adapter. It's more of an open case. You do have this removable option for the bottom, another 1/4 inch if you want to directly mount your adapter. So you have a nice, small compact option. You can still use your magnetic original mount. Okay, but if you want something shorter, like I like it. But if you want to remove it, you can using your little Allen key. You can take it out, and then you have this cover removed, which will make the case a little bit lighter, but I kind of like it this way. All right, but definitely your option to do it with your adapter. Also, you have a 1/4 inch on the side with a little rubber, I guess like a little rubber isolator there, so it doesn't slip around, but great, feels fantastic. Magnetic. Okay, so you have both options, plus you could remove it if you want to directly mount it to the camera itself. This is your power button, and you have other access. All right, this is your cover. All right, so let's go ahead and install it. Make sure it locks. There you go. One of the things I found, this one here, you have to kind of like insert your finger into this hole to press, record or stop, okay, which is no big deal. You have good protection all the way around the edges. And if you need to open it and access your memory or your battery, super easy. Like I mentioned, you could put your 1/4 on the side or on the bottom. In this case, you don't really need it. You have the option to record both ways. And if you, like I said, if you want to remove it, you're pretty much good to go. All right, definitely an extra cover that the actual camera doesn't come with. A really nice option. This is kind of like what you get. All right. All right, let's check the weight. In grams, as it sits, 72 grams. And like I mentioned, you can remove the bottom and it'll probably hit like 70 grams or so without that adapter. So yeah, 72 grams.